Now, you may have heard the news that we've introduced some new members to the Surface family, and I'm lucky enough to be here today to unbox one of them, the Surface Laptop Studio 2. So sit back, relax, and let's see what's in the box. Titles! Hello YouTube, my name is Hannah and I'm part of the Expert Zone UK and I team, working with Microsoft. So here it is, the Surface Laptop Studio 2. This is the new and upgraded version of the absolute powerhouse that is the Surface Laptop Studio. In this video, I'm just going to be taking a look at what comes in the box and go over briefly some of the text and specs. But if you'd like to check out more of the nitty-gritty of this device, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified when the full overview video goes live. So let's actually get into this box, and I am super excited to do so. The first thing I want to point out is one of the little details that really makes the difference with Surface, even down to the packaging. Right here is a neat little tab that allows you to rip open the cellophane without breaking a nail. As you can see, on top here is the super sleek looking Surface Laptop Studio 2. But I'm just going to set this to one side so we can see what comes with this device first. So to keep everything nice and safe, we have this nice little cardboard cover right here. And just underneath, we'll see that we have up here the scripture warranty information and how-tos with all that good stuff. Make sure to keep this safe just in case. Down here is our power supply, which as always comes with its unique magnetic charging port. This is a great time to mention that the Surface Laptop Studio 2 power supplies vary based on which model that you choose. If you go for the Intel Iris Xe graphics model, you'll get a 102 watt power supply. And if you choose one of the NVIDIA graphics models, you'll get a 120 watt power supply. Alright, so that's what's in the box, but let's bring back this device and take a good look at it. The first thing that stands out is this super premium feeling platinum anodized aluminium casing that we know and love. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 is all about flexing your lifestyle with its innovative dynamic woven hinge. This hinge enables you to seamlessly transition between a powerful laptop for productivity, a perfectly angled display for collaboration and entertainment, and a creative canvas for drawing and sketching. Flipping this device onto its side, we can see here is two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. This means you can transfer data at lightning speeds, or it ensures that you're getting the best display with docking via USB-C. We can also see that we have the return of the USB-A right here, which means no need to hunt for an adapter to quickly plug in your accessories. Flipping over to the opposite side, we also have a brand new microSD card reader to give you even more options for file transfer. And of course right here we have our 3.5mm headphone jack and our Surface charging port. And finally, let's flip this into tablet mode to see that beautiful screen. Here is the vibrant 14.4-inch PixelSense Flow display. It's fully touchscreen with 10-point multi-touch and supports tactile signals with the Surface Slim Pen 2, which makes inking feel far more like actually writing with pen on paper. Whether you're drawing, watching or working, you'll see more accurate colours and contrasts thanks to HDR and Dolby Vision. As with all Surface devices, we still get that 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives me even more screen real estate to multitask on. I'm now going to bring it back up into laptop mode to show off the Precision Haptic Touchpad. This is a trackpad that gives you plenty of room to glide your fingers across as you scroll your mouse, and the haptic feedback is fully customizable in settings to what feels more comfortable for you. So there we have it, a brand new member of the Surface family, the Surface Laptop Studio 2. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and make sure to stick around for a more in-depth overview into this device coming real soon. Remember to hit that notification bell icon so you know as soon as that goes live. For now though, that's all from me, and I'll see you all real soon.